Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to start counting equation. As you know that this is related to class 11th. First of all, we will understand what is a counting equation. As you are seeing in the screen, a counting equation. Counting equation is just like a mathematical expression of assets and liabilities or capital. It means for accounting equation we have to consider three things. First one is asset, second one is liabilities, and third owner's equity which is known as capital of the business. First of all, we should know that why this accounting equation is to be prepared. Generally it is prepared to know the asset or liabilities or capital of the business. Means in a simple word we can say that we prepare the accounting equation to know about the financial position of the business. Whenever you will read the balance sheet, now the thing is that what is asset, what is liability, and what is capital. Assets means the property of the business. Suppose you are going to start a business and you purchased furniture for your business. This furniture is asset of your business. You purchased some vehicles for your business. This is also asset. And you purchase computer for your business. This is also asset. You have few cash balance for day-to-day operations of your business. This is also asset of your business. So asset means company having few properties to operate the business activities, operate their operations activities. This is known as asset. Liabilities means suppose you are going to start a business and you purchase raw material of rupees 50,000 from cash and rupees 50,000 of raw material you are purchasing on credit. Credit in the sense in future you will have to pay this 50,000 amount to your creditors. This 50,000 amount is just like a liability for your business. In simple way, we can say that liability is the payable amount of the business. It means you have purchased few things on credit, you have dues of landlord or any other things. Payable amount, whatever the payable amount of your business is known as liability. And capital means whatever the amount you have invested in your business at the time of starting, at the time of commencement of your business, whatever the amount you had invested, this amount is known as capital. So in this accounting equation chapter, we will use this formula which is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. It means there may be few transactions which is related to assets, liabilities or capital. We have to make an equation of these things. Now I have a question of this accounting equation. As you are seeing on the screen, show the accounting equation for the following transactions. We will learn how we can prepare accounting equation. First of all, we will write here the formula. Formula is assets equal to liabilities plus capital. Whenever you read the transaction at the time of reading the transaction, you have to know that what are the assets given in the question or transaction and what are the liabilities given in the transaction. First transaction is Gopinath started business with cash rupees 25,000. Gopinath is a proprietor who started the business with cash of rupees 25,000. It means Gopinath having cash balance how much? 25,000. And this cash balance Gopinath invested into the business. Business in the sense this cash balance also become capital for their business. It means from 25,000 cash is going to start their business. So first asset Gopinath having cash 25,000. So we will write here cash. Second transaction is purchased goods from Shyam rupees 10,000. Purchased goods from Shyam rupees 10,000. As you know that if you had already learned the things before, whenever we purchase goods from anyone on credit, then the creditor's name is to be mentioned in the transaction or question. If the creditor's name is mentioned in the question, it means we are purchasing the goods on credit. If it is not mentioned, it means we are purchasing goods on cash. Here Gopinath is purchasing goods from Shyam. It means this person Shyam is the creditor for our business, for Gopinath's business. And creditor, as you know that creditor means in future Gopinath will pay the amount of rupees 10,000 to the Shyam. It means it is liability for the business. So the second thing, liability has been created here, creditors. Third, sold goods to Sohan costing 800, 1500. It means the cost price of good is how much? 1800. Sorry, 1800. And how much the selling price? Selling price of goods is 1500. Then you can find that how much profit or loss the Gopinath is getting. How much profit or loss? Cost price is 1800 and selling price is 1500. It means 300 here loss having the Gopinath. Here also goods sold to Sohan. It means Gopinath is selling goods on credit. If in any transaction at the time of purchase or sale, if the name of that person is given, it means at the time of purchasing they are purchasing goods on credit, or at the time of selling goods they are selling goods on credit. So here Gopinath sold goods to whom? Sohan at a loss of how much? 300. And last, Gopinath withdrew from business 5,000. Withdrew from business 5,000 means maybe he is withdrawing from business for their personal use, not any other purpose. Withdraw means drawing. Personal use means drawing. Now we will solve this question. Let us see here. First of all, asset. Here, what is the asset? Asset is cash. First and second, he is purchasing goods. Goods means a stock. We can also write here for asset stock is equal to liabilities, because he is purchasing goods on credit. From Shyam he is purchasing the goods. Here liability is also creating creditors, plus capital will be as it is. Now one thing is also happening here, that he is selling goods to Sohan. Sohan in the sense he is selling goods on credit. Selling goods on credit, it means debtor account also will be, debtor also will be here. Here are three things: cash, plus a stock plus debtor is equal to creditors plus capital. Now we will solve the transaction number first. Transaction number first is Gopinath started business with cash 25,000. It means Gopinath having 25,000 cash, stock balance 0, debtors 0 is equal to creditors 0, and this cash balance of 25,000 will be the capital of their business. Transaction number first we have done. For transaction number second, here purchase goods from Shyam. How much? Rupees 10,000. As I discussed earlier, that whenever you are purchasing goods from anyone and their name is mentioned, it means he is purchasing the goods on credit. So here cash, there will be no impact of cash because we are not purchasing goods from cash. So there will be zero impact of cash. Stock, we are purchasing goods, it means from rupees 10,000 stock will be increased, debtors 0, and here also you are if you are on credit, it means the value of creditor will also be increased from rupees 10,000, and capital, there will be no impact of capital. This is the question number 2. Now if you want to find out the new equation, then what will be the new equation? New equation 25,000 as it is, it will be here a stock value will be 10,000 plus debtors 0. Here creditor value will be 10,000 plus capital as it is 25,000. Now move on question number 3, transaction number 3. Here transaction number 3, sold goods to Sohan costing 1800 rupees 1500. It means your cost price of goods is how much? 1800, and your selling price is 1500. It means 300 you are getting loss. Now you are selling goods on how? Credit. You are selling goods on credit. It means there will be no impact on cash, plus you are selling goods. Cost price how much? 1800. It means the value of a stock will be reduced by 1800 minus is equal to here debtors value. How much you are, how much the selling price, how much you will collect from your debtors, then you will collect from your debtors how much? 1500, because cost selling price of goods is 1500. It means your debtor will give you only 1500, not 1800 or 2000, is equal to here impact will be 0. If you are selling goods on credit and you are getting a loss of 300, it means from 300 your capital value will also be reduced. Now the new equation, what will be the new equation? The new equation, cash will be as it is 25,000 plus 10,000 minus 1800, how much? 8,200 plus here 15,000 will 100 will be the debtors value is equal to 10,000 creditors value plus here 24,700. Remember, if you make the new equation, this new equation, at the time of preparing the new equation, you have to check that your equation is going correct or not. How you will check? This is your LHS side and this is your RHS side. Just you add this both the sides. If both the sides are equal, then your equation is going to be correct. How much here balance? 25,000 plus 8,200 plus 1,500. If you will calculate this, then how much value will be? total value how much will be? 25 plus 8, 33,200 or plus 1,500, 34,700. Here 24,700 plus 10,000, 34,700. It means our equation is 110% correct. Now the last transaction, which is Gopinath withdraw from business 5,000. It means the man Gopinath, which is the proprietor, who is the proprietor of the business, he is withdrawing cash. How much? 5,000 from their business. If suppose you have invested 10,000 for your business and you withdraw 2,000 from your business for personal use, it means your cash value will be decreased from this amount of how much? 5,000. Here zero impact, here zero impact, here zero impact, and this cash is also the capital of your business. It means your capital of your business will also be decreased of rupees how much? 5,000. In accounts, bracket means minus. If you write minus, then it is also correct, and if you do not write minus, you can use bracket also. Bracket means minus. Now the new equation, what will be the new equation? New equation will be 25,000 minus 5,000. It means 20,000 plus stock value as it is 8,200 plus debtors value as it is 1,500, because debtors not you didn't get yet from debtors, and creditors value as it is because you have not paid to your creditors, and this one 19,700. There is no more transaction ahead, so this will be your answer. Now you can cross verify that LHS is equal to RHS or not. If it is equal, LHS is equal to RHS, it means your equation is correct. So this is the concept of accounting equation. In next video we will learn inshallah more problems related to the accounting equation. Hope for the best.